It has motorized sensors attached to motion detectors.
So does my butt, but I don't frame it and put it on the wall.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sky. Today I have another really cool keycap to show you all. I can't wait to open this one up and let's get into it. Let's open this up. Make sure I don't damage anything. So this keycap, I actually found the seller on Instagram, and he makes very cool keycaps, and I know they only have a few right now, and that's the name, which is Polykeys. Let's see what else we have inside. Oh, that's very nice. Send the candy. Oh, there's actually two candies in there. Very cool. And here it says sticker inside, so let me make sure I open this up prior to getting into the keycap. Let me see what we have in here. Oh, that's very nice. So a Polykeys sticker, in case you want to put that somewhere. And let's get into the keycap itself. Alright, very cool guys. So if you're familiar with Bender Rodriguez, this is from the Futurama series, and you might have gotten a hint of the keycap that I was going to do in my background prior to me opening this up. Not sure if this is 3D printed. You see inside it says Polykeys Cherry MX profile, but I am actually very impressed with how nicely polished it is. It feels like very sturdy plastic, not rubbery at all. It's definitely not translucent, at least I don't think so. It looks very decent. So let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. Alright ladies and gentlemen, so let's put this keycap in here. I'm actually gonna put it down here. I'll make sure that sticks in. Very nice. So like I said, definitely not translucent, but it definitely looks super cool. I really like it. Well done Polykeys. This is a nice keycap. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I really hope you enjoyed that keycap. While that was not my traditional resin artisan type of keycap, it is definitely very cool and unique, and it gives a very different touch to everything else that I have going on the keyboard, which by the way doesn't match at all. I'm very well aware of that. But thank you all so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, we will have many more keycaps coming through and other types of gadgets. I'm really trying to make everything as unique as possible to the channel. I'm trying to review things that no one else has, and I really hope you all enjoy that. Thank you all so much, and remember, be kind to one another.
Doesn't it bother you even a little to be taking advantage of your girlfriend's trust?
Oh wait, you serious? Let me laugh even harder.